Hello everybody, our today's topic is deleted portion of science of class ninth. As you all know, CBSE have uploaded a new syllabus for current year. So what we are going to discuss here is not the chapter which will not come in your exam, we'll discuss the chapters or topics which will come in your final exam. So let's start. See, this is the marks distribution of last year, like 2019 to 2020. Here you can see the different units have different marks bifurcations, but here this fifth unit is completely deleted from your current year syllabus, and this fourth unit is included in your internal exam, like internal assessment. You'll get some question from this chapter, like write essay or make a project on this topic, which will be in our environment chapter. So this will not come in your theory, but these 10 marks are distributed in first unit, like this year first unit will be of 27 marks and second unit will be of 26 marks. See, you can see here, like this is the marks distribution of your current year, and here you can see that you are going to get these 3 units in your syllabus or in your final exam, where you have to give your equal concentration on each of the units, because almost the marks are same for all the units. Okay, see, so the first unit is matter, nature and behavior. Like everybody have completed the first chapter, and our first chapter is matter in our surroundings. So this chapter has been deleted completely from your syllabus. This chapter will not be a part of your final exam. Nature of matter, that second chapter is matter around us pure. Okay, this chapter will come in your exam completely. Third chapter is atoms and molecules. Again, it will be a part of your final exam. Structure of atom will completely be a part of your final exam. So overall, I can say you that in from chemistry, CBSE have deleted your first chapter, and most of you have already done this chapter in your school, institute, wherever you are studying. Okay. So the second unit is organization in living world. Basically, this is biology chapters, like cell is the first chapter of biology, which will come completely in your exam. Tissue will come completely. See, this biodiversity, this chapter will not come in your exam. This was a very tough chapter for class 9 students. So basically, I can say this is a good news for you people, because you don't have to learn, you don't have to mug up everything from this biodiversity chapter. And the last chapter is health and disease. This chapter will come completely in your exam. Again, CBSE have deleted one chapter from your biology syllabus, and remaining 3 will be the part of your exam. The third unit is motion, force and work. See, these all are physics topics, from where you will get motion completely in your exam. Force and Newton's law, it will be a part of your exam. Gravitation will come, but see, this flotation part, it will not come exactly. Thrust and pressure, Archimedes principle, buoyancy, elementary idea of relative density, this will be not a part of your final exam. As well as sound is a separate chapter which will not come in your exam. This full chapter has been deleted from your final exam syllabus. And work, energy and power, this will be the part of your exam. Like from physics, they have deleted 2 chapters, but they have left, you are left with 4 chapters to study. So physics is a bigger part, I can say, in science now. Now the last unit is, or you can say fourth unit is our environment, and I have told you already that this will be included in your internal assessment. This chapter will be a part of your internal assessment. This will not come in theory, so you don't have to bother about this chapter, because everything you have to mug up from here. So this chapter will not come in your theory. And the last unit, that is food and production, this whole chapter, this whole unit has been deleted from your syllabus. So there is nothing called as fifth unit in class 9th now. So basically you have only 3 units. Unit 1 chemistry, where you will not have a chapter that is called as matter in our surroundings. In unit 2 you will not get biodiversity as your chapter. In unit 3, sorry, in unit 2 you will not get biodiversity. In unit 3 there will be no flotation, no sound chapter. And unit 5th is included in your internal assessment. Matlab, this unit 4 and unit 5 is completely deleted from your syllabus. So this is all I can explain you. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in your comment section.